Alright, I don't have a lot of time, but another beauty loot box came out yesterday, level 2. So we're gonna take a break from puppies and speed dating and get onto this and actually do something timely. I have no idea what's in it, I haven't looked yet. They've also sent me an email about like, what's in it, but I don't have time to set that up and put it on screen, so let's just open this. We've got the whole intelligence tester trying to open it. What is this? Inside your beauty loot box, you'll discover some of our current favorites gathered in one place for you to test, try, and love. Love your best friend in beauty. And there's a code to scan to learn about it. And the usual warning, always patch test before use blah blah blah. Get ready with beauty loop. So like the email notifying us of that was saying it's like getting ready, but I guess maybe they've actually tried to make it a theme. Look how well lit my entire video is. What is this? It's officially party season. Oh my god. As if I'm someone who does parties. But anyway, the best part of any event, getting ready. I think the best part is getting home, taking all the makeup off, and going the fuck to bed. But anyway, especially with this beauty loot box as your +1. Okay. They're cute how they try and make it, you know, more than it is. But to get the good times started, we're bringing you a box full of new beauty, including a little something for the main event. Oh, they've spelt main as M-A-N-E, as in like main. That's like the funniest pun they've come up with so far, because they don't usually pun. Anyway, Briogeo Style and Treat, Yuzu and Plum Oil Air Dry Hair Styling Cream, whatever the fuck that means. Oh, it's all one thing. Style and Treat, Yuzu and... oh, that's such a long name for a thing. We think this heatless styling must-have will transform your routine and your hair. Well, I mean, I love your best friend in beauty. I do have to give Mecca credit because, that hair primer, even though I still don't really understand what hair primer is, it does make my hair feel nice and smell nice, and it feels nice for a few days, because I only shower and wash it once a week. Anyway, okay, so what's in my box? Quick preview. I think is this the one they're talking about? Briogeo. Amazing camera work. It is not focusing, that's great. Anyway, tiny little tube, Style and Treat, Yuzu and Plum Oil, Soft Power Air Dry Cream. What am I supposed to do with that? A leave-in soft styling cream to minimize frizz for lightweight definition and an effortless air dry finish. I haven't even used the other air dry stuff that I got like a year ago. Formulated with a blend of B vitamins, yuzu extract, and plum oil to replenish moisture and nutrients for healthy looking hair. Usage: apply a small amount evenly to damp hair from mid-length to ends. Oh, okay. So you only do like half. Mid-length to ends. Cool. And then the short hair at the back. Would I even bother? Probably not. I'm gonna get that shaved once it gets warmer. Like it's been warm, but not constantly warm. Yeah. Twist or scrunch to enhance the natural texture. For best results, allow hair to air dry. Okay, I've been blow drying my hair more because I don't like the feeling of wet hair, and I think that's why I haven't used the other air dry stuff, but okay. The thing is, like, frizz, I don't think I get frizz. Like, I get little flyaways, but I kind of don't care. Frizz, for me, the way I control frizz is just by not washing my hair that much. Because I feel like if you overdo it, that's the problem. Anyway, next up, what is this? A little packet of whatever the heck this is. Elemis? Are there any Animorphs fans watching me? I'm sorry to any beauty people who accidentally stumbled onto my video, but for any of you nerds who just watch my videos at random, even when it has no relevance to you, it just makes me think of the Elemist from Animorphs. If you don't know who that is, you are not cool. Anyway, so Elemis. Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles. It's got Pedina pavonica, Ginkgo biloba, chlorella. What the fuck does this mean? Like, am I supposed to be impressed by that? Honestly, the cosmetic industry is hilarious. Firms, smooths, hydrates. Oh my god. Defined by nature. Led by science. Sure, mate. God, if contact occurs with eyes, rinse thoroughly. Where's the... Oh, it's got so many languages, and I'm trying to find where does the English start again. Oh, it doesn't say anything? Okay. So I guess you just put it on your face and hope for the best. Is it... What is a day cream? Anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. I don't understand what a day cream is. Like, is it a moisturizer? How am I supposed to use it? Also, if it's anti-wrinkle cream, this is just like a sample pack. You are not going to see results with one sample pack, surely. Like, what are you going to get? One use, maybe two, maybe three if you're super stingy, but like you're still only using that amount of product. You are not going to see any anti-wrinkle results that fast, surely. Surely not. Anyway, it looks like I'm going to have to look it up to figure out how to use it because they didn't even bother to put that on the thing. Okay, next, what's this? What the fuck? It's like... It's just like a card. Urban Decay Moon Dust. Sparkly eyeshadow. And then it says turn over. Did somebody order a shot of sparkle? Our Moon Dust shadow comes in a thrilling range of glittery colors. This formula even has a dash of caffeine to give your eye a look. That extra little jolt of energy. What the fuck? They're putting caffeine in eyeshadow. I find that actually concerning. I don't understand. Like, it makes me think of things in Japan where, you know, I got a cold last time I was in Japan and my aunt gave me this medicine that amongst, like, you know, paracetamols and all that or whatever, I tried looking it up. I can't remember exactly what was in it. But when I was looking up and translating the ingredients, it included caffeine. And I don't even know if that's legal in Australia to put caffeine in your medication. I certainly don't know what the fuck. But so how is this? It says not for individual sale. But what is this? Am I supposed to, like, does this peel off? Oh, it's a peel off thing. And that is like the amount of eyeshadow I get to use to try. That's fucking hilarious. That's the, oh my god, it is. It's like a little sample thing on a card for eyeshadow of all things. Like, how stingy? Why not just give me a small eyeshadow? I know they can make small palettes, but they've put it in that, and I'm like, is that even enough to... Okay, interesting. I didn't know that was the thing. It looked like it was just an advertising card, but apparently that's a sample. And then the last thing, ooh, this actually looks good. Ooh. This might be the best thing, because it's like actually a product. Sol de Janeiro, I think this is, it's a fragrance. Cheirosa 62 perfume mist. I've heard like people really go on about this brand, and a couple of my girlier friends helped me when I was buying a present for someone else and said, get this brand. And yeah, so I think this is like in. Now, it's a perfume. Bask in the scent of summer with delicious notes of pistachio, salted caramel, and vanilla. Interesting. How about this one? I think this is actually the best thing in the box. Because I'm right into all the perfumes. I don't know if you saw my sensory therapy video and I went through that. There are like a couple of scents I forgot to show you, because there's the Archangel one and also the one that smells like a fireplace. They're in there. You can see them. I just like totally forgot to show you those. But yeah, no, gradually adding to that collection. And should I just spray it on me now? I went a bit too much. Yeah, okay, interesting. I need need like, because I'm already wearing a rose scented one, a new one that I got with my Scent God subscription, so that might be interfering a bit, and I probably did overdo it because it takes a while for the pump bottle to get going, but yeah, interesting. At least we got one good thing in the box, and then the others I'm not entirely sold on, but yeah, I gotta look up that. I gotta check the email and find out what they want to tell me about it. Oh shit, I don't even know where that email went now. Unread. There we go. And they're telling me I've got to spend $22 by the 17th of November to reach level 3. So this is a level 2 box. And I'm super close to level 3. And I think there's like still one more thing for the year, one more box for the year. At least if I upgrade. They didn't tell me if there was for level 2, but that is terrifying. So I'll just read out the email to you because I haven't been able to, I didn't have time to set it up on screen. But discover your new beauty. Nothing beats a beauty loop unboxing. We're showing the scoop on the treasures you'll find inside, including how to use them and expert tips. We can't wait for you to be as obsessed as we are, which is another way of saying they want me to buy stuff and give them more money. So then they say you've redeemed your beauty loop box, but the party's just getting started. Inside you'll find a selection of beauty to test, try, and love ahead of party season, including this brio. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, briogeo. If I'm not, well, I'm sorry. Surely by now you know I'm not a real makeup person, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Plus if you found a new favorite for your get ready routine, you can shop it now. Oh, okay, and they've just got like a list of products. And so that's how I'll look up this crazy cream and figure out what even... Oh my god, there's a night cream version as well. What is like... Is day cream and night cream just a way to sell me more creams? Okay, quick tangent. I did go into a beauty salon today. So this is not really related to Mecca completely, although Mecca, they do have, I think in the city they've got the one where you can go in for like proper facials and other shit, which I'm kind of curious about. And the reason is, so I have these tiny little spots, white spots on my face that kind of look like acne, but they're not, and I'm told it's milia. And you know, sometimes I'll just absent-mindedly scratch because, like, unlike, like, I don't care about wrinkles because I can't feel the wrinkles, and people think I'm younger than I am, which our society values the appearance of youth, but the downside is people sometimes don't take me seriously and treat me in a really annoying way like I'm still a child when I'm fucking not. And, you know, sometimes just don't take things seriously from me, and it's really annoying. So I wouldn't mind looking a little bit older. I'm still waiting for my hair to go white because then it would be, I don't know, it would be a bit more interesting and maybe easier to get colours in, although I'm starting to realise that white hair, grey hairs don't exactly work the same way that light coloured hair does. Apparently there's some kind of difference, so maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, so, you know, like I scratch them because I can feel them, and like absent-mindedly, I don't even mean to scratch them sometimes. Like sometimes I'll see them in the mirror and just be like, what's that? And then, you know, you get carried away into like a hypnosis of scratching it. But sometimes I just will feel it and I'm like focused on something else and I'm just absent-mindedly picking away at it. And then they come out, which is great. But my concern is if I, like, you know, you're not supposed to scratch things because you can infect them or make them worse. And so I thought I'll go to my GP and ask, what can I do for these things on my skin? Because, like, I know they're not anything bad medically, but they could be bad medically if I'm absent-mindedly scratching at them. And she was kind of dismissive, and didn't really give me any way to help. So on the way home, I actually popped into a beauty salon for the first time in my life, and I'm like, go in and I'm like, look, I'm just here out of curiosity, and I'm not ready for anything yet, but do you have any information about, and, you know, I told her about the thing, and she actually gave me a card, and, like, a thing to look up their treatment, and, also, like, what the condition is that I can look up, and so that could be kind of interesting, but the main thing that she told me is, like, if I do exfoliation, that apparently is, like, the thing that I've been missing, and maybe I should try that. So if you remember on my previous beauty loop, this is the older one, this is the skincare one, I'm pretty sure one of these was the exfoliating thing. Oh, Daily Microfoliant. And this Dermalogica is actually the brand that I saw on the shelf behind her. So, maybe that will be the first one of the skincare that I will try. I'm just going to try one thing at a time, because if I do react badly, I want to know which product I'm reacting badly to. But I thought, okay, now that I have talked to my doctor and she's been completely unhelpful, didn't even give me any recommendations to see like a dermatologist or anything, I'll try that and maybe try a few other things. And then when I've fucked up my skin, I can go back to my GP and be like, look what you made me do. My face is melting off. I am that melting face emoji now. Or I can go to this beauty salon and get them to poke at me. I don't know. I was reading, there's like, it's kind of full on and I'm a little bit scared. So let me try the samples first and whatever else Mecca ends up giving me. And we'll see if it does anything. Okay, now that it's settled a bit, let me have another sniff. Yeah, like it's not overly strong. But, it's nice. But I think I do need to try it like fresh on a new day to really get the vibe of it. I'm not really sure though, like on my first impression, I don't know why people are obsessed with this brand. Like, is it just a social media trend or a TikTok thing that I'm not aware of? Because, I don't know, I've got a collection of perfumes now, so I've smelled ones that I like better. The best one is still the burning one, because I'm completely sane and innocent like that, and I'm gonna go before I incriminate myself. See ya!